Hello everyone, I'm Ajay Singh from Persona Institute, Khandwa, and with me today these are the 4 participants and we are going to discuss on a very interesting topic. So all the participants, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really? The today's topic that I'm going to give you is that online shopping versus offline shopping. The online shopping, we are having so many socials, we are having so many sites through which we can order and our order is delivered in few days. On the other hand, our traditional pattern of shopping where we go to market and buy the things. So the question arises, which is the best source of shopping? Right? You all have to put your views one by one. We start from you, Srishti. First, you all give your introduction. Then we'll start the session. Yes, please.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for selecting me as a part of this group discussion. I am Srishti Dashore, and recently I am in BBA first year, and I am very excited to discuss about this topic.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I am Mehak Chabra, and I will be so grateful to be the part of this group discussion.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and I am very excited for for this topic. And I am Gaurav Verma, and I am studying BBA first sem.
Okay, that's good. So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity. And my name is Sahir Hussain, and I am here to speak about. I am here to. This is a topic of GD, and my topic is online shopping versus offline shopping.
Okay, Chali, that's very good. So, Srishti, Gaurav, Sahir, and Mehak, you all have given your introduction. Now you have to put your views. Okay, so Srishti, from you we start. What do you think about the shoppings? Yes.
Sir, I think offline shopping is better than online shopping because firstly we have to go to shop. And by going this, our body become fit. But if we order something by home, so we become lazy. Second thing, when we purchase goods, so we can touch, we can feel, and we can observe the quality of goods. But in online shopping, we can't touch the goods. And sometimes it also happen, we select some other goods, but we get some different type of goods. So it is like a fraud, and we have to open our all secret information for purchasing some goods online. So it is dangerous for us. So I think offline shopping is better, and we can also bargain in offline shopping. And in online shopping, we can't bargain enough. Even we have to pay some delivery charges. So it is become costly and expensive. So I think offline shopping is better.
Okay, she thinks offline shopping is better than online. Yes. Meg, what do you think?
As the technology is developing, a new trend is come in the market, like just sitting at the home in front of your computer screen and shop. But there are many disadvantages of shopping online also. The biggest disadvantages can be fraud that are holding in the online shopping.
Yeah.
They display the fake products, and the products that come to us are different from the that we have ordered. And we know that the cyber crime is also holding in the online shoppings.
Yeah.
They misuse our details of the debit and the credit cards, and the person have to face a lot of loss in this trend.
Yeah. So you also think that online shopping is not good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, I think online shopping is good because in online shopping, many more varieties of the product, and if any brands not available in our locality,
Yeah.
so we can purchase online shopping. And it in online shopping, flexibility in the 24 into 7 hours, because if whenever we want to purchase anything, so we can purchase through online shopping. So that's why online shopping is good.
Okay, that's good.
So
yes.
Sir, now the day we are seeing that the technology increased day by day and the human demand increased day by day. So that time there is a two option available for a shopping. First is online shopping and second is the offline shopping. So we want to save our time, so we can use online shopping. But there is a more variety available in online shopping. And if you want to check your product location, if you want to check your product variety, so you can easily go with the online app and you can check your product quality. And in festival season, there is a more offer provided by the online application app. So if you want to check any offer, so you can easily check in your mobile apps. So in my point of view, the online shopping is best as compared to offline shopping.
Okay. Now we have got different sort of product. If we talk about the technical products, especially mobile cell phone, camera, watch, so is it right that we get the authentic product in online shopping? And we talk about the garments, especially. So we don't find the authentic clothes. Is this right?
Yes.
What do you think? My question to Srishti. Do you think that we find the authentic product in online shopping?
So in online shopping we can find everything, but in offline shopping we can easily check the qualities if we want to purchase like clothes.
Yeah.
So clothes variety we can check by touch, but in online and if we have some doubts like regarding our product and we don't know about this product, so we can easily ask to our shopkeepers and they explain us well. But in online shopping we have to depend on only description. They provide some informations, but it is not enough. Sometimes it is like fraud. They provide some fake informations. So I think offline shopping is better.
Okay. What do you think about the product quality of online shopping?
Many times it happens that the quality differ from the description box, that the quality of the product that they have mentions in the description box
Does not match with the real one. Yeah.
doesn't match with the real one. And it usually happens with the clothes. Many people are get attracted like they are getting a cheap clothes online, but the quality are so cheap. If you wash it for the one time,
Yeah.
the color will started faded and you can't even wear it on the second time. So I think it is not suitable to buy the products online.
Okay. And what about the technical gadgets like mobile, watch, camera?
I
The
agree.
electronic items. I'm just asking. Yes.
Electronic like if you buy something online,
Yeah.
and if some problem occurs, who will check that problem? You have to complain to the customer cares and the process takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
But if you buy something from the offline market or from the local market, you can easily complain to the shopkeeper, and if you have any doubt regarding to the product, you can contact to the shopkeeper, and he will tell you how to use the product or what is the problem that we are facing.
Yeah. Okay, that is the good thing that when we purchase something from the local shop, we can directly go and ask for this. Yes. What do you think, brother?
Yes, sir. In online shopping, Amazon, Flipkart
Yeah.
provide us a facility to return policy.
Yes.
Because if you want to, if you don't like your product and you want to return, so
Yeah.
you can return this policy 15 days, and many more products. It's depend on the product.
Yes.
So, sir, easily we can
We can return it. We can replace it.
replace.
Yes. Absolutely right. Yes.
Sir, if you want to any electronic items, so you can purchase by the online apps easily. But if you want to authentic product in by the help of online apps, so you can use only the Indian app. So like Amazon, Flipkart, this not provide any fake product, because this is related to our India country, and this our product manufacturing in India, and this is a very good product. And if you want to purchase any important phone, in a Khandwa, I'm talking about the Khandwa, there is a many shop, in this shop, and many more expensive mobile is not available. So you can go on online app and you can purchase easily.
Okay. Chali, that's very good, Sahir. Okay, everyone, you all are giving your best, but I have one more question regarding this shopping actually. Now, don't you think that the days have gone when we used to go to market with carrying a bag and used to purchase the things? Don't you think that we need to change this mentality and we need to switch for the online? Because we have got the varieties of product, we have got so many things. Or on the other hand, you would say, no, sir, actually the kind of enjoyment that we enjoy while doing shopping, going to market, we have a different, we have different sort of feeling. What do you think about this, Rusty? Do you think that the trend is being changed day by day, or we need to be like that as we used to be in the past? Yes.
No, sir, I think we should not need to change it because in every city there are so many supermarkets, malls are available. In these supermarkets, we go with our friends and our families, so we get enjoy and we purchase all things from a shop, and we can also bargain it and we can reduce the price. But in online shopping we can't bargain, and
Yeah.
and in supermarkets we can easily find there is a price tag, and we can easily find every type of items, so I think it is good.
Okay, Chali, that's good. Yes, what do you think?
uh, Everyone knows that we got entertained when we do shopping.
Yeah.
And we enjoys a lot. We are in the contact of the nature. We can feel the fresh airs also when we go outside from the home. And in online shopping we just got lazy. We just sit at the home in front of a screen. And in other time we also waste our time in online shopping because we compare many products from each other. We often gets confused.
Yeah.
And as we know that the bargaining is a hobby of an Indian. A Indian can't buy something without bargaining. He or she always, and if he or she is good at bargaining, he can easily get a good discount in a particular product.
Right. Okay, so you think that in offline shopping we have a chance to bargain? Okay. Yes.
Sir, I think nowadays many people are busy, and we are talking about the student. So students have no many more time.
Yeah.
So you can easily the shopping through online shopping.
Yeah.
And if you want to gift to our relatives, so we can easily gift our relatives without any hesitation, and no it is matter that where is live.
Right.
Easily, sir.
Actually, that's very good. So that's the good point. Yes. What do you think,
Yes,
brother? Saeed.
Sir, I have a more point about the online and offline shopping.
Okay.
Sir, there is a more disadvantage which is related to offline shopping. Sir, if you want to purchase any item which is related to human requirement, so you go to in market, and many shopkeeper write on the board sold item will not replace. So that is a very big problem arise that time. And if you want to purchase online item, so online shopkeeper easily purchase your item, and return policy available in this app. And you can set any gift product, so we can apply on this to our mobile phone. So and I have a more point. If you living in your urban area, and if you want to if you urgently require any product, so there is a no shop that time, so what will you do? So there is a more question arise that time.
Okay. Chali, that's very good, everyone. Yes, Rusty is very excited to say something. Let's know her opinion. Yes.
Sir, I think when we want to return something, because sometimes we purchase a goods and we realize that it is not for use, so that time we decide to return it. So online, if we return it online, so they take 2 or 3 days. But in offline shop, we can easily go
2
back.
and 3 weeks, not days.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 weeks. But in offline shopping, when if we want to return it, so we can go back and just return it. And this is a competitive atmosphere for marketing. So all shopkeepers want to maintain their goodwill and their reputation. So they will return goods, and sometimes they also return price.
Okay, that's good. Yes. Anything special, Mark?
As we are talking about the return policy, I think in online it is a big headache of a customer to return a product, because there is so much complications and the process to return a product. And if we go to the offline shopping, we can easily return a product. They will exchange a product, and sometimes when we go to the market to return a product, we get a new variety available in the market, so we can buy a new one. So according to me, if we are in the favor of the return policy, I will always be in the favor of the offline shopping.
Okay. Chali, that's very good. Now give me mic. Okay, so all the participants, you have given your best, and what I personally believe that actually it's up to people, that what they love and what they like. right? Many people, especially the new, the what we can say, the modern people, they love to order something online because it sounds great when we say something that our product is about to come. So this is this has become a trend now, okay, and they are following it blindly. I don't know why, but I personally believe that the kind of enjoyment that we have by going to market and purchase something cannot be replaced. It's my own personal view, but people must have different views. So you all have given your best. I really would say that it was a nice discussion, a healthy discussion that we have done. Clapping for all, yeah. Okay, everyone, I hope you have loved this video, you have loved this session. If you love this session, share this session with your friends so that they can also enjoy it and improve their spoken English at the home. Thank you so much, friend. Thank you to watch this video. Thank you so much.